Okay, so this is Quandry. It's a social and emotional learning app geared at students. It looks like it's for a higher reading level. So I probably gear it towards my older students or the ones with a higher reading level in the class. But yeah, we're in desperate need of some social and emotional learning lessons in my couple of my classes here. So what happens is you can discuss the episode, but you have episodes here. You are a space captain on the first planet colonized by Earth, and it falls on you to help mediate and solve all the problems that come up here. So we have these 4 episodes here. Lost Sheep is the first one. And what happens is you go through and you get these webcomics that detail the problem. And it has this handy feature where you can, when that microphone shows up, you can click on the text and it will play audio for the each text bubble. So then it goes through here, the meeting is called, the discussion starts, and so we're through here. Now we go to an interface, and what you have to do is select all the people who have facts, who have a solution, and have other opinions, and you have to sort them out. So she has a fact there. She has another opinion. He has another opinion. She wants to build a fence. She has a fact. Other opinion. Other opinion. He wants to build traps. Other opinion. Fact that they have medicinal use. And he's not worried. So once you get them sorted, you finish. And it scores you your points based on your correct answers. And then, oh, yep, I made a mistake. He should have been in the solution for the poisoning. But in my head, it wasn't an option, so I just blew it over, it looks like. So then you go through and solutions used to explore. So you keep going, and it keeps showing you different things. So basically, you continue problem solving all the way through until you get to the end here. Then you have to choose which one do you think is best. You can trap them, or you can just put up a fence. I'm going to choose put up a fence instead of using traps. And so it just continues. So we'll end it here. Eventually you get through this entire lesson and you've spent about an hour learning how to critically think about other people's opinions and find the best answer to the issues or problems. Thank you.